About 80,000 green cards went to waste last week, despite a years-long backlog of immigrants waiting for those slots. Millions of people are already stuck for years in the green card backlog in the U.S., including a sizable number of family and employment-based, can hope for a lawful permanent residency in America. In today's video we will look more in detail at how lengthy processing times keeping green card seekers waiting forever.
Visit our Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Now, let's get into the video. The federal government got a rare chance to chip away at that backlog, after coronavirus-related processing delays in 2020 led to additional 122,000 employment-based green cards this year. But U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, the Homeland Security agency that oversees requests for visas and other immigration benefits, couldn't process all of the applications in time. A State Department official estimated 80,000 unused employment-based green card slots were lost when fiscal 2021 ended last Thursday, though USCIS said the final number could be lower. The additional green cards, had they been processed in time, could have shortened the wait for foreign citizens, who has waited more than a decade for a green card. The expiration of unused green cards occurs through the State Department's visa allocation system, where any family-based visas left over at the end of a fiscal year roll over into the employment category for the following year, while extra employment visas effectively expire. During fiscal 2020, as the novel coronavirus spread across the globe, the State Department closed or limited services at its consulates and embassies abroad, stalling green card processing for Americans sponsoring their relatives abroad. The government issued fewer family-based green cards than the legal minimum that year. The roughly 122,000 remaining unused ones turned into extra employment-based green cards, usually capped annually at 140,000, for fiscal 2021. This created an opportunity to make a significant dent in a backlog. However, USCIS couldn't meet the moment. A series of Trump administration policies, including additional interview and biometrics requirements, slowed down visa processing, affecting green card and work visa applicants alike. USCIS, which is primarily funded by immigration application fees, also found itself in financial straits. It implemented a hiring freeze and nearly furloughed two-thirds of its staff. The onset of the pandemic also caused the agency to shut down certain in-person services. By the time President Joe Biden's administration started reversing his predecessor's policies, it was too late, lawyers and analysts said. Biden, in order to prevent this disaster, would have had to go far beyond reversing these policies. He would have had to speed up processing, said David Beer, a research fellow at the Cato Institute. He deserves blame for not doing that, or not doing it enough, but that's asking a lot more of the government than you should typically expect. Matthew Burke, a USCIS spokesperson, said agency leadership recently committed to using all available policy and operational improvements to reduce both the number of pending cases and overall processing times. Newly confirmed USCIS Director Yor Jadu, the agency's former top attorney under the Obama administration, has also pledged to make reducing backlogs a top priority. USCIS is reviewing all policies, operational procedures and options under the law that would allow for available green cards to either be issued before the end of the fiscal year or carried over into FY 2022, Burke said. There may be a window for Congress to intervene. The House Judiciary Committee included provisions to recapture unused green cards from the past 3 decades in its portion of a sprawling $3.5 trillion reconciliation package. The Democrats' plan would also allow foreign citizens to pay high fees to be exempted from visa quotas to prevent future backlogs. However, the provisions have yet to be officially cleared by Senate parliamentarian Elizabeth McDonough, who has so far rejected 2 pitches by Democrats to include provisions legalizing undocumented immigrants in the reconciliation bill. Under Senate rules, measures passed through reconciliation, which allows a filibuster-proof majority, must have a budgetary impact. Senator Bob Menendez, DNJ, a key player in immigration talks, also signaled he may be unwilling to move forward with a reconciliation bill that includes green card recapture, but no relief for the undocumented population. We're not going to take care of business and not take care of the 11 million immigrants in some way, he told reporters last week. Even if last year's expired green cards are recaptured, the agency could find itself in a similar position 12 months from now. The federal government again failed to process the minimum number of family-based visas in fiscal 2021, leaving an extra 150,000 employment-based green cards available for fiscal 2022, or 290,000 total, according to the State Department. Each year, the U.S. can issue 140,000 green cards for employment-based preference groups each year, including spouses and minor children of the primary worker. There is a 7% country cap. As a result, applicants from countries like India, China, and Mexico face longer wait times for a green card. As of 2020, there are over 800,000 Indians in line for an employment-based green card, with the wait time running into several decades. The green card backlog for employment-based immigrants in 2020 crossed 1.2 million applicants, the highest ever, according to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, data.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!